Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Power your keyboard and connect via USB or a MIDI interface. Open FL Studio and navigate to Options MIDI settings so FL can see the device. Once FL Studio lists your keyboard, select it as the input and enable it. That tells FL which controller to accept. Make sure Auto Accept or the correct controller type is chosen if available. This avoids mismapped controls. After that, you're ready to route signals into a channel. Next, load a virtual instrument on a channel rack or inside the plugin wrapper so your keyboard can trigger sound. Once the instrument is loaded, set its MIDI input to the keyboard's port and the correct channel. This directs incoming notes to that plugin. Then arm the channel or ensure the plugin window is focused, and press keys to verify sound. If you hear latency, lower buffer size in audio settings. If no sound, check mixer routing and the plugin's volume. Finish by mapping performance controls. Open the plugin or wrapper, use MIDI Learn to link knobs and faders to your keyboard, and save the mapping so controls recall next session. Once done, optimize audio. Choose an SEO driver and set a low buffer size for minimal latency while avoiding dropouts. If something fails, make sure cables and power are secure, the MIDI channel matches, and drivers are installed. If still stuck, restart FL Studio and the keyboard to refresh the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.